going to make this block building of senior architect. This is the bridge, and in the down this is a pillar, and this is a stairs, and this is a tree, and this is also a tree, and this is the antenna, and this is the stones. That is means that you can use in the swimming pool also, and you can use in a stone. So in this block building I am using in the stone. Today I am going to make this beautiful block building. We have to leave 4 space. And this is a smaller one, and now I am fitting this longer one. You have to, when you are making this block building, you have to leave 4 space, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this for the door. And now second floor also, with the help of the and now we have to fix the windows, a big windows like this. In this window there is a one hole, you can see it, and in that you have to fix that window. And now you have to use 3 blocks. This set. We have to save this longer one in a corner, because you have to use all big ones. So when you are using the gate, so the gate cannot is covered. So you have to leave this and set it to corner. And now this small blocks. You have to measure with this longer one a height, where you have to place this here, and now take it out, and in Now fit this gate. We have to cover the green with and now our house is ready. We have to make same of the house, and now our two houses ready. Now we have to make a tree. We have to use these block buildings. We will need a 4 of them. Now we have 8 of them. And now we have to remove this house and you have to do a 4 pillar very nearly and then this house on the top. Now we have to turn this house. And set the pillars properly. And what I do in this house, we have to do in also second house. And now we have to make the stairs. And if you have to not make the stairs colorful, so you can make the stairs with one color like yellow, red, blue and white. But I am making the colorful. And now these small ones. And now in the top also. And then now see this two small ones. My stair is ready. and then this antenna. And if your antenna is broken like this, so I am telling you how to fix it. This is, you have to find this anywhere, and this ball, you are seeing this circle, it's go in, and then this antenna backside, and then this red one on the top. And you can fix antenna anywhere of the house. Now we have to make the bridge. We have to use these rakes. We need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And leave one space in all sides for these small ones. We have to make 4 of them. We need 8. Now our bridge is ready. Now we have to put and fix it. Please like and subscribe my channel.